Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize a chat-based chatbot in 2026. Whether you want to match your brand, change your chatbot's personality, or improve the user experience, Chatbase makes it simple. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the AI agent you want to customize from your dashboard. Next, go to the settings section. Yeah, this is where you can change your chatbot's name, choose an AI model, and update its instructions to control how it responds to users. Now, customize your chatbot's behavior by writing clear instructions. You can make it sound friendly, professional, or focus only on specific topics that matter to your business. After that, open the chat interface or appearance settings to update the welcome message, suggested questions, colors, logo, and other branding options, depending on your plan. This helps your chatbot match the look and feel of your website. Finally, save your changes and test the chatbot using the preview window. Ask a few questions, make adjustments if needed, and continue refining it until you're happy with the results. And that's it. You've successfully customized your chat-based chatbot. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.